Hi, good day everyone. My name is Junaisa P. Medalya, first year college students of IBA College of Mindanao. So for this video, I would like to answer the question, if you could meet any historical figure, who would it be and why? So for that question, if I could meet an historical figure, I would definitely choose Lapu-Lapu because among all the heroes in Philippine history, he is the person I admire the most because he showed extraordinary courage, leadership, and love for his people. Even after 500 years, Filipinos still remember him as a symbol of freedom and bravery. So, Lapu-Lapu was the chieftain of Mactan, a small island in Cebu. During his time, the Spanish expedition led by Ferdinand Magellan arrived in the Philippines in 1521. Magellan wanted the local leaders to recognize the authority of the Spanish king and accept the Spanish influence. Some rulers agreed to cooperate, but Lapu-Lapu believed that his people should remain independent. So, because of that, he refused to submit. On April 27, 1521, the Battle of Mactan took place. Lapu-Lapu and his warriors fought against Magellan and his soldiers. Although the Spanish had better weapons, Lapu-Lapu forces knew the land well and fought with um, fought with determination. So during the battle, Magellan was killed and the Spanish were forced to retreat. So, this victory made Lapu-Lapu an important figure in Philippine history because he successfully defended his people from or against the foreign forces. If I could given the chance to meet Lapu-Lapu, I would ask him these questions. First, I would ask him, what gave you the courage to fight against Magellan? I want to understand what inspired him to stand even though the Spanish had stronger weapons. Second, I want to ask him, what is your greatest dream for your people? I would like to know what kind of future he wanted for the people of Mactan and whether he imagined the future generation would remember him as a hero. Third, I would ask him, what advice would you give to Filipino youth today? I believe his message would encourage us to value education, respect our history, and love for our country. Lapu-Lapu continues to influence the society today. His name can be found in schools, parks, monuments, and even the cities throughout the Philippines. More importantly, his story reminds Filipinos to be courage, united, and proud of their heritage. He represents the spirit of standing up for what is right and protecting the freedom of our country. So personally, Lapu-Lapu inspired me to become stronger whenever I face the challenges. As a student, I sometimes experience fear, pressure, and difficulties. But his story reminds me not to give up and teaches me to believe in myself, hard work, and always do what is right, and even if it is not easy. So if I had the opportunity to meet any historical figure, I would choose Lapu-Lapu because of his courage, leadership, and patriotism. I would be honored to learn from his experiences and hear his advice to the Filipinos. His legacy continues to inspire Filipinos to value freedom, unity, and love for the country. Even today, his life reminds us that the personal courage can make a lasting difference in history. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.